Hi everyone!
Welcome back to our English project video.
Today we're going to explain the differences between past simple, past continuous, and past perfect.
So let's get started.
First, past simple. We use it for finished action. For example, I played football yesterday.
While past continuous talk about an action that was happening at a certain time. For example, I was playing football at 5 p.m.
So, past simple is for completed actions,
while past continuous focus on the action in progress.
Past perfect is different again. It talks about an action that happened before another past action. For example, I had played football before it started to rain.
So, past perfect shows which action happened first.
That's all from us.